Hi, I'm Jennifer Covington. I'm a life coach and business strategist for women entrepreneurs. My business serves women entrepreneurs and mainly heart-centered entrepreneurs. So life coaches, healers, Reiki folk, Reiki masters, those kinds of folks who what I say do magic in the world, but they don't know the business side. I now also really help folks with their amplification, helping them get booked on podcasts, help them with their consistent marketing plans so that good-hearted folks are getting their message and voice out into the world. I love Jen Kem. I recently did an incubator with her. I'm really, especially after the pandemic, really excited just about gathering. So with like-minded, very exciting women. And so just to be in the room was exciting. I knew Jen was going to drop gems that I knew, but that she was going to be releasing some new, intellectual property as well. So I just had to be here. I'm really excited to have been invited. I think the gem that hit my heart, that we would say it's like a gem wrapped in sandpaper, was the assessment that we did where we looked at like our business, our influence, our impact, and it just exposed all my blind spots or all the spots where I've been knowingly lazy, to be frankly honest. And so it's a gem because now I know what I need to do and I really don't have an excuse not to do it. I resonate deeply with Jen's story about getting, passed over. She's in the office grinding so the team can win while the guys are on the golf course and then making deals and then getting the promotion that she really deserves. And I like how she even likened this gathering to the golf course so that we can help each other win and we can commune as well. So that story just always resonates with me. And so I love how she uses it too to seed all of her future implementations. And then I'm happy that I also get to partake in those.
Hi, my name is Tara Sage. I'm an author of The Rules of Life and applied psychology coach who helps people create the life they think they cannot have. My business serves people who feel trapped or limited in a smaller box in their life than they know they can live. And I help them create that liberation from the rules that we're all really steeped in our society and our culture. I'm always motivated to be in a room full of powerful women. I'm very drawn to the magnetism that is Jen Kem. I'm very moved by the power and the time of what the world needs and what is happening in rooms like this. Feminine power, the feminine leadership, the lack of fear around fame, where you're really stepping in to serve more people and be known enough to be able to do that. That is a very powerful nugget that I'm really embodying more. Connections with others during breaks was part of it. I heard innovative ideas from other entrepreneurs in the room, like engineering, marketing. It was like two concepts I'd never heard paired before. Just really innovative things that are happening, and I love how that percolates in my soul and my mind.
Hello, my name is Orit Esselin, and I am co-owner of Essetino Media, where we help people build their businesses through YouTube, digital products, and branding. We serve coaches, consultants, creators, and that's really important to me because I think everybody has a message to share. Everybody has a fire in them, a passion, and we want to help bring that more out of people. We met Jen randomly at another event a few weeks ago in Toronto, and Jen being Jen, she's just, her aura, her energy, we just wanted to be around that more. And so that brought us here. We flew all the way from Vancouver, Canada to be here. This all is happening for a reason, and I'm so happy to be here. For me, it's really about building my unicorn team. So I feel like I've been working a lot in the business and wearing the hat that the solopreneur wears, the 50,000 hats. And we have team members that are helping us in our business in different aspects, but we don't have, the core operators, the core strategizers, that type of thing. So I've really, learned a lot about who to hire next. And that was my intention coming here, was what is that next big thing that I need to focus on to level up. Anecdotes like Jen talking about her stories in working with her clients, and the even the opening story that she opened with, where she was talking about being at another event, and just all of these separate stories really made me see that you get what you tolerate, and so you got to ask yourself the question of, what aren't you going to tolerate anymore? Like, what are you going to say no to? And that's, a huge lesson that I'm learning right now.